Good afternoon, great to have your company on 𝐊𝐿𝐴 TV. I'm James Preston and you're watching The Buzzing Trends, a specially curated show that brings you the emerging trends driving the market momentum and the related stocks under the spotlight. Today's edition is focused squarely on the crypto space. We'll take a look at the broader crypto scenario, the momentum and the triggers. We'll also take a look at the prominent crypto exposed stocks under the spotlight on the Australian Stock Exchange and where the overall crypto space is heading in the near-term future. Let's get started with our first segment of the show and zoom our lens on the buzzing crypto charter. Cryptocurrencies rallied on Wednesday after Tesla owner Elon Musk stated that he owns the cryptocurrency Ethereum at the B-Word conference, an event hosted by the Crypto Council for Innovation. Musk also repeated his support for cryptocurrency in general, despite the potential environmental risk. He stated as Bitcoin mining is increasingly becoming powered by renewable energy, Tesla will likely move to accept Bitcoin for transactions moving forward into the future. Notably, Musk spoke alongside a panel that included Jack Dorsey, the CEO of payments company Square and also of Twitter, along with ARK Invest founder and CEO Cathie Wood. On that note, Bitcoin rose back above $30,000, having dipped below this key level for the first time in a month earlier this week. It last traded up 7.4% at roughly $32,000 per Bitcoin. Meanwhile, rival digital currency Ether traded just below $2K, following a 12% surge. With popular cryptocurrencies racking up gains in the last month, although with occasional corrections, certain ASX-listed crypto stocks have managed to grab the headlines, benefiting from the prudent shareholders. As a result, apart from taking direct positions in crypto assets themselves by buying different cryptocurrencies, investors can also evaluate investing in established companies that benefit from blockchain and also crypto asset uptake. Time now for a quick break on 𝐊𝐿𝐴 TV, and after these messages, we'll have a little look at some of the ASX listed stocks connected to the world of crypto.
Crypto Talk by 𝐊𝐿𝐴. The crypto market has been red hot given the Bitcoin rally since the past year, and now the most famous cryptocurrency has got competitors, Dogecoin and Ethereum. If the crypto market excites you, tune in with me, Sage, to know the latest developments about the existing digital currencies and the new ones that are joining the race. I'll help you understand the opportunities and the risks the crypto market has in store for you. For all the digital currency related developments, continue watching Crypto Talk by 𝐊𝐴.
Welcome back, great to have your company on The Buzzing Trends. James Preston with you for a special crypto-focused edition of the show. Let's now take a look at several crypto-related ASX stocks that are under the spotlight. First on the list is Novarti Group. This company offers a payment processing platform that facilitates mobile and alternative financial payments, solutions and services. The year-to-date return for Novarti Group stands at over 98% as of the 21st of July 2021. The company forayed into blockchain payments in 2018. Novarti integrated its proprietary payments platform with the Stellar network to build, send and trade digital depictions of dollars, pesos, bitcoins and more. The company recently completed its previously announced acquisition of a 19.9% interest in Reckon. Reckon is a leading accounting software provider with strong cash flow generation and has historically paid sustainable dividends to its shareholders. Moving on to the next crypto stock under the spotlight, and we're taking a close look at Raise Invest. The millennial-focused investing app Raise provides financial services and products through its micro-investing platform. It also has an investment portfolio with exposure to Bitcoin. Raise Invest year-to-date returns stand at nearly 61% as of the 21st of July 2021. Notably, Sapphire Portfolio, which constitutes one of Raise's investment options, includes a 5% target allocation to Bitcoin. The Sapphire Portfolio provides investors with the chance to reap the potential of Bitcoin benefits. Most importantly, it helps limit their exposure in a risk-adjusted way. Also, 𝐻𝐸 uses the Gemini exchange to buy, sell and store Bitcoin. And Gemini Exchange is a world-leading cryptocurrency exchange that is regulated by the New York State government. Moving on, and the next market player we're taking a look at is Fat Fish Group, who investors are keenly eyeing. The Australian cryptocurrency investment firm invests in internet and also technology businesses. The company is aiming to facilitate the growth and business, or should I say the growth of business, through seed funding and expanding its scale of operations globally. The company has investments in cryptocurrency and also in blockchain ventures. Now, they're called Monerium and Kryptos X. Besides, the company recently announced that it's establishing a new retail buy now pay later brand called Pay Slow Slow. This will be its flagship brand that will be undertaking its retail buy now pay later business throughout Southeast Asia. The year-to-date return for Fat Fish Group stands at nearly 55% as of the 21st of July 2021. Moving on now to Pendal Group, which is another company to keep a close eye on. A $1 billion Australian investment management firm, Pendal, dived into Bitcoin last year. Interestingly, the company cited that cryptocurrency is superior to gold. The company started investing in Bitcoin through futures contracts on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Notably, Pendal took positions in gold for several years, and the company revealed its funds under management increased by 4.4% during the March quarter, surging from 4.3 billion Australian dollars to 101.7 Australian billion. Pendal Group's year-to-date return stands at nearly 22% as of the 21st of July 2021. Next under the radar is Ukami. Ukami Limited shares have given a return of 12% so far this year as of the 21st of July 2021. The company provides financial services software and SaaS technologies to the Australian financial service licence holders. It is known to vastly improve their efficiency when utilising the company. The company is also in the process of developing technology solutions related to smart contracts and also blockchain technologies. They're also developing cryptocurrency solutions, as well as securing identity management and verification and anti-money laundering applications. Notably, Ukami seems to be well positioned to grow into becoming Australia's largest blockchain venture company, which is listed on the ASX. The company is achieving this through a portfolio of synergistic companies. Its companies are trying to disrupt data and advertising markets, investment platforms, and also software as a service. Time now for another short break, and on the other side of these messages, we wrap up the buzzing trends with a look at where the crypto space is heading. Welcome back, James Preston with you for a special focused edition of the Buzzing Trends, where we are looking squarely at cryptocurrencies. Time now to look at where the ever-evolving but constantly volatile space is heading. The ongoing crypto boom has ignited the usual debate: are we in for a bigger crypto bubble that may pop louder than before? Well, to answer that, while the bears have been warning of a 2018-style cryptocurrency collapse, the recent rally demonstrates a real shift from inexperienced retail investors to some big shots getting involved in the space. In other words, there seems to be more substance to crypto price rising this time around, as per some of the data from analysis. Meanwhile, the continuing crypto bandwagon is moving in line with the dramatic surge that we can see during the COVID-19 pandemic, like cashless payments and online shopping trends. Having said that, the sustainability of the crypto boom needs further attention. We're saying this because many argue that cryptocurrencies do not have any underlying asset, and they are purely operating on the trust and speculation factor. With prudent fundamental and technical analysis, crypto enthusiasts can earn eye-candy returns over the coming years. However, it's important not to neglect heightened risk levels and luck factors propelling such fortunes. Alright, well that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to 𝐊𝐚𝐥 TV for more news on markets, the economy and diverse themes and sectors. I'm James Preston for 𝐊𝐚𝐥 TV.